In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set 1-inch margins in Microsoft Word, and I'll also show you the exact equivalent of 1 inch when working in centimeters. Proper margins are very important because they help your document look clean, balanced, and professional. Whether you're creating school requirements, office documents, or printed reports, setting the correct margin size ensures your content is aligned with standard formatting guidelines. To begin, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open the file where you want to adjust the margins. Once your document is ready, move your attention to the top of the screen and click on the Layout tab. This tab contains all the tools related to page setup, including margins, orientation, and paper size. Inside the Layout tab, click on the Margins option. A drop-down menu will appear showing several preset margin styles. Among these options, you will see Normal, which is the default setting in Microsoft Word. The normal margin uses 1 inch on all sides of the page. Selecting this option instantly applies 1-inch margins to the top, bottom, left, and right of your document. If your Word settings are displayed in centimeters instead of inches, don't worry. Microsoft Word automatically converts measurements based on your regional settings. A 1-inch margin is equal to 2.54 centimeters. This means that when the margins are set correctly, you should see 2.54 centimeters for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. To manually confirm or adjust this, click on Margins again and choose Custom Margins at the bottom of the menu. This opens the Page Setup window, where you can see the exact margin values. If you're working in centimeters, make sure each margin is set to 2.54 centimeters. If your measurements are in inches, ensure they are set to 1 inch. Once everything is correct, click OK to apply the settings. This margin setup is widely accepted for documents such as essays, letters, and reports. Using standard margins helps prevent text from being cut off during printing and keeps your layout consistent across different devices and printers. After setting your margins, you can continue typing or formatting your document as usual. If needed, you can always return to the Layout tab to make adjustments later. That's all you need to do to set 1-inch margins in Microsoft Word, whether you're using inches or centimeters. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.